Anyways.
I'm there.
Yeah,
Feel tired.
you love me? You love me still?
Of course.
Oh my gosh.
I'll always
If you
love
know how
you.
if you know
You
how
love
I
me.
miss it so bad. So this baby boy. So what we gonna do about this?
Baby, what do you mean we're going to do about it? We're excited and we don't talk about that. You don't know it already.
All right. Sometimes I lie on my bed here, girl, and something like I go crazy. You had the goodie bye. The thing we hook me with. You understand? If I didn't have so much powers, girl, I don't kill myself, you know. But boy, God tell me, I'm ready, you ready for me? And when I'm in my bed and say, oh God, I don't know, yeah. I'm so sick over you. Is that the shape of the bottom you have? In Nani, oh God, I know it.
But don't even talk. I should never know I miss you. This quarantine.
I'll be real thinking about that.
You could do.
Yeah, well, no normal thing. Right now, I'm not working taxing right now. So that's why you see me sending a little money and fair too, but I'm not a little pain too. But the end of the day, I still live it. I have a little grocery in my house. People support me too, and I let them know thank you on the media. When you go up on the media and thing, you will see it. You understand what I'm saying? People help me. You understand what I'm saying? Buy the grocery and thing too now. So, you know what I mean? So, I want to ask a question. Sometimes when you come by me and you understand what I'm trying to say, like, hug me up and kiss me up and thing. You know what I mean? It's like, I ask a question like, why so much man love you so? I don't understand that. You understand why they love you so? They find that too ugly for you or something, no?
I don't care who love me as long as you love me. Me alright, me love you.
Alright, no problem. That's so nice.
But
I
don't
make
worry about
people.
nobody else. That just me, you, and we'll be able to find the way right now.
Alright.
You understand?
Alright, darling. You're so nice. Oh gosh. So tell me now, so when you're coming down, when I'm coming down, I can rub the belly, squeeze your sexy ass. Oh my lord, I can fucking smell you. You understand what I'm saying? You understand?
Baby.
Oh my god.
You see, baby?
Yeah, I see it. Yes, baby. You look so lovely. Oh lord.
I get fat.
I hear me say sorry?
So baby, I getting fat.
I getting fat. You maybe need some tongue up in ya. Like that, you know what I mean? Your fucking sexy ass.
Baby.
Yeah. Me have to like, sometimes I think, yeah, the other day I get a wet dream over you, Yes, thank you.
Well,
When they think of...
I'm me there and it as hell. Worse, they know them say about pregnant woman.
Yeah, I understand. I know.
Hey, you want to be born in Trinidad? Or you want to be born in Jamaica?
I would like you to be born in Trinidad.
Alright, me too.
Yeah, understand? So, what, I would like it to happen so, because, I don't get my passport already, and, that's where right now, I don't have the kind of money to think, but I want it to...
Babes, you know me will buy a ticket.
Alright, thank you.
I'll buy a ticket, baby.
Yeah, no problem, baby.
Did you get the credit I'm sending you?
Yes, darling. Thank you so much, yeah.
Alright.
Because my data going on done Friday coming, but as I say, the other part of the day, you know what I mean? Either man is like a worker thing, they don't make my mama taxi work too now. Yes, and right now everybody take back a car because I make money and things, so I have to give it up. You understand? But according...
David, I hope you're not making anybody driving in a taxi for free, no?
No, baby, no. No, baby. Oh gosh, it's you I love, baby. You know you I love. Watch out. You don't love me, girl, sex. You understand what I'm trying to say? I'm waiting for you. You know you will always be my number one. You understand? Right. But we said we have a ups and down too. And you know what I mean? Sometimes I sit to cry too. You understand what I'm trying to say? Me on the lie, the other truth. You make my thing race, yeah. Oh my God, I just can't wait. You understand? To get a sweet loving, suck your fucking toes. You understand? I have panty here too.
That me love, that me miss. Why me miss my toe in your mouth?
Oh my God, you can do that anytime, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, you have no bras here?
No, baby.
Oh my God,
Breast
that breast
swell
looking.
up. You know,
Oh my.
my breast them swell up.
Oh my God.
Brazier.
Oh my God, it looks so good. I like how the breast stand up, girl. Oh God. You're making my tongue jump, okay? Fucking crazy, yeah.
That's your baby, baby.